What if I told you most people are using AI completely wrong? They open Bing AI or GPT-4, ask one boring question, and then leave. But power users? They use prompts that can write content, build business ideas, summarize books, create study plans, generate code, learn faster, and even act like personal assistants. And the crazy part? Most of these prompts are surprisingly simple. So in this video, I will show you 10 of the best Bing GPT-4 prompts that feel almost like magic. Let's begin.
Prompt number 1. The Personal Teacher Prompt.
Explain to me like I'm a beginner. Use simple examples, analogies, and step-by-step explanations. For example, explain deep learning to me like I'm 15 years old. This is one of the most powerful prompts for learning. Instead of getting confusing textbook explanations, GPT-4 becomes your personal teacher. You can use this for math, science, coding,
AI,
finance, literally anything. And honestly, this single prompt can save hours of confusion.
The Study Notes Generator. For example, turn this topic into short study notes with bullet points, summaries, and key concepts.
This is amazing for students. Instead of reading massive articles, you can turn information into
cheat sheets,
revision notes, flashcard summaries, quick study guides. I wish I had this earlier in school.
Next is the Content Creator Prompt.
Give me 10 viral content ideas about topic with catchy hooks and titles. This prompt is insanely useful for YouTubers, bloggers, TikTok creators, LinkedIn creators, Instagram pages. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you instantly get creative ideas. And if you combine this with GPT-4's creativity, you can brainstorm content unbelievably fast.
The Career Roadmap Prompt.
Create a beginner to advanced roadmap for becoming a career. Include skills, projects, tools, and learning order. For example, create a roadmap for becoming an AI engineer. This is one of my favorites. Instead of feeling lost, AI gives you a structured learning path. You can use this for AI careers, programming, data science, cybersecurity, graphic design, almost any skill. It's like getting a personalized roadmap instantly.
Next up is the Productivity Assistant.
Help me organize my day. Create a productive schedule based on my goals and available time. A lot of people think AI is only for coding. But honestly, it's incredible for productivity. You can ask GPT-4 to
plan your day,
create routines, build study schedules, manage priorities, improve focus. It becomes almost like a digital life assistant.
The Resume and Interview Prompt.
Act like a hiring manager. Improve my resume and ask me realistic interview questions for job role. This one is powerful. AI can help you improve resumes, practice interviews, write professional summaries, prepare for technical questions. And because GPT-4 understands language so well, it can make your resume sound much stronger.
The Coding Assistant Prompt.
Explain this code line by line and help me improve it. This is one of the reasons coding changed forever. Instead of spending hours stuck, you can ask AI to debug code, explain errors, optimize programs, teach programming concepts. It's basically like having a coding tutor available 24/7.
The Business Idea Generator.
Give me 10 realistic business ideas related to industry with target audience, monetization, and startup difficulty. This prompt is honestly dangerous for overthinkers, because suddenly you have endless startup ideas. You can brainstorm AI startups, SaaS products, YouTube channels,
apps,
side hustles, freelance services, and GPT-4 can even help you build execution plans.
Next up, the Writing Improver Prompt.
Rewrite this to sound more professional, engaging, and human. This is one of the most practical prompts. You can improve emails, essays, articles, LinkedIn posts, scripts, social media captions. And the best part? You still keep your ideas. AI simply improves the delivery.
They act as prompt.
Act as an expert role and help me solve this problem.
for examples.
Act as an AI mentor. Act as a startup advisor. Act as a fitness coach. Act as a software engineer. This is where GPT-4 becomes really powerful, because instead of asking generic questions, you give the AI a role. And suddenly, the responses become more focused, more detailed, more useful, more realistic. This is one of the biggest prompt engineering secrets.
How to get better AI responses.
Most people use weak prompts like explain AI, but better prompts include
Context. Goals.
audience,
Style.
format. For example, teach me Python. Teach me Python like I'm a complete beginner using small projects and simple explanations. The more clearly you communicate, the better GPT-4 performs. The biggest mistake people make with AI is treating it like a search engine. But GPT-4 is much more than that. It can become a teacher, a coding assistant, a writing partner, a brainstorming tool, a career coach, a productivity assistant, even a creative collaborator. And honestly, we're still just scratching the surface of what AI can do. The people who learn how to use prompts effectively today will have a huge advantage in the future. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, subscribe. And comment below which prompt was your favorite. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.